How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be completely rebuilding the chassis in this 2016 Mustang. This car came into the shop with not a whole lot done when it comes to the cage and the inside. When it came in with a 10-point roll cage. See, at the end of the video, it's going to have a lot more than that. It's a full roll cage. It's going to be completely decked out with carbon fiber, so it's going to be as light as possible. I can catch you up on it in this picture time lapse. We'll see at the beginning of the video. Then we'll get into the more detailed work. So for now, let's go and get into the time lapse and let's get into the video. How's it going? Welcome back to another video. What are we doing?
Well, we've been installing a whole new chassis and roll cage in this car. We're trying to make new panels out of carbon fiber. Go back into it to close in the floor area. So I gotta cut some off from here to there to get that corner to come back in.
So right here, he's cutting out patterns so he can measure out the carbon fiber sheets and make sure they fit right.
Make a piece of this side right here. Oh yeah, that's how I want it right there. So it's gonna be close. I might trim a little bit down this side so I can get that to come around maybe, but that's gonna be real close to how it's gonna look right there. I need to take the top up there. Other thing, make my side over there, and then figure out how I'm gonna make this thing in here close off in here.
When I filmed this, I accidentally gave some of the wrong information, but what I was explaining was that this car came in stock, but it actually did it. It came in stock with a 10-point roll cage, like I told you at the beginning of the video. But I'm picking up here. I'm going to talk about exactly all that they did to it before I started recording. But they cut out all the floorboards, all the carpet, all that stuff, and they built a whole roll cage for the car. Most of this has bolts in it, so I can't really kind of show you what it was like before. But all this, where this carbon fiber sheets are at, have little brackets in them. They put brackets everywhere, and we put carbon fiber sheets in here. That right there. At this point, we have them all measured out. I'm going to put a picture right beside this of a recent build we did that is basically just like this. And that's what it's going to look like when it's done.
So now, this is going to be the other side. All right, that area was that side there. So actually, I did that. So I'll do that right. Make sure I do this right, because this will be for the driver's side. Now you're gonna get the other side and do this right here to make it be the same thing.
Yeah, that's right.
So you should be able to put it right here and place that again, right? And that would put it to the right way, huh?
Should be. You the one that's got to get the job right, not me.
Isn't that how it'll be?
It looks like it to me.
Yeah, because you go from
It's flipping it horizontally, yeah.
So you have to, like that, you do like this here, do the other side.
Yep.
To get your top right, you know. Then I can trim it like I want to, you know. I plan on really plan on doing it, making sure that you had it right. So you trying to tell me that it ain't gonna be right?
Probably not, because I don't know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, that's two of those then.
That ain't good.
It might not fit.
Well then, who messed up then?
You?
Not me.
You drew the pattern.
I didn't draw anything.
Okay.
I hadn't done a single bit of work to that car.
We'll let you two decide that then. Well, if you drew it or I drew it then.
It's on video of you drawing it, not me, so just saying.
I'm gonna tell YouTube that I didn't do it.
You don't even know what YouTube is.
Need to drop down right here, see, so that means I need to come in here and trim. I need to take a little bit out there to get that to come over right there. Get that over, then I can do the other trim part.
I'm just glad you know what you're talking about.
I really don't. I'm just kind of winging it, you know. We'll make it work somehow or another. Drop down this way some. Not much, just a little bit. Don't feel too bad right there. Cut some off that side of there.
How you gonna drill it when nothing's holding it? You gonna hit your finger? Your finger? Oh, okay. All right, we got some more carbon fiber sheets put in. Got some aluminum sheets. I don't believe these ones were in here before. I know these weren't. We got some more aluminum sheets kind of fitted in here. Let me see if I can climb up in here and kind of get a better look at it. Let me not make a dumb decision. Let me put my phone up here. Yeah, this is going to be a bad idea. So I'm making some, oh crap. I'm making some very dumb choices right now. It does not matter. But anyway, you see that there? The sheets are in there. Got the dash put back in here. I think all the bolts are in here, so they know they have them fitted. That one doesn't have the bolts in there. I don't know about the ones back there in the back. I can't really tell. But for the most part, everything's fitted. I have to drop the whole roll cage out of the body. That way they can sand the cage and paint it. Be seeing that soon. But very soon they're going to have to unbolt every single piece in here, take it out, drop the cage, bolt it all back in there again after the cage has been painted, and basically redo everything because they have to put all the carbon fiber sheets back in there. But at least there's no more cutting or anything that has to be done to it. is. They were all rusty earlier, so I gotta paint these two. And there's a wishbone and another bar over there, but getting all the parts painted.
Ow!
What'd you do?
Go.
Alright, right now we're about to drop the chassis out of the car so we can get it painted and sanded and all that stuff.